Would you like to know about a free video editor? YouTube has one. So particularly if you're a video blogger or a video course creator, then you can use this one which is provided by the YouTube. So for that, all you need is a account with Google, that is Gmail. Then once you have that, yes, get into the youtube.com. Let me go back and show you. Yeah, once you have logged in into the Gmail account, you should have the icon over here. This shows you have logged in, and then once you have that, go into the YouTube Studio. So you have studio.youtube.com. Get into the videos, and then you need to get into the create videos where you have to upload the corresponding video. So let me take an example. This is the video I wanted to do some edits. So click on that, and then you have an editor over here. So get to the editor. So once you do that, you have a screen something like this. This is something like 3 minutes and 32-second video. So if you look at this, yeah, this video, you can play it, and you have a timeline over here which goes over, and you have a bar over here which moves through. And in this panel is where you have the various tools and options. One is you can blur, you can also trim. Blurring the image and trimming, particularly if there is some noise or you have some errors in your shot, then you might need to trim it. Maybe you have a long pause in between, or some error happens and you want to delete that portion in the presentation, then you can use the trim feature. The way it works is click on the trim. You got to click on the trim icon. Then you will see something like this. You have a rectangular box over here for the entire video, and whichever you want to split. For example, suppose I wanted to delete the portions from 1 minute to 120 minutes. For example, I'm saying something like 120 minutes I don't want. So in that case, yeah, click on split, and then click over 1, or and then you need to move it over here, and then whichever way you want, you can move up and down. If you look at it, it's still up to 118, and you need to just manually check that. So now you can replay from here, and you will see a jump. If you look at over here, the timelines, it is 144, 45 seconds, 48, 49, 50, 51, it goes on. And if you look at it from first minute onwards, it will jump to the, yeah, it has jumped. Just watch it closely again. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 1, and after 1 it comes to 118. So that portion will get will get erased, and you can do that repeatedly as well. Maybe you split again, and then if the portion, whichever portion you don't want, you just split that. So this portion, whichever is there, is not going to be the part of the video. So it's highly useful, pretty useful particularly for the video bloggers and maybe the video course creators. And moreover, it's a free tool. And it is the most simplest one. No complexity involved. It is there on the web, so you don't need to pay any price. So then what you need to do is save that portion of it. So save that portion of it. It gets saved. So it'll have screen something like that. This save changes may take few hours. Yes, it does take some time before it gets saved. So yeah, save. So video is being processed. Please check later. It takes about 10 minutes to get saved. And once it is saved, you can publish it, or you can even download it. Suppose if you're a course creator, you can even download it and publish it elsewhere also. So this one I found out very useful, that YouTube video editor, because as a course creator, I don't need to pay any amount because it is free, and it is the most simplest one if you want to do the trimming of any of your video clips. I hope you found it useful. Thank you.